Blocks to draw graphs. Blocks of graph plot category are used to draw graphs in AI Connect. There are two subcategories in it: Matplot subcategory and Pygl subcategory. Some of the blocks of Pygl subcategory are given here. Bar chart block is used to plot a vertical bar chart, column chart. Horizontal bar chart block is used to plot a horizontal bar chart. Add label block is used to add data and label of the data. By clicking on plus button, multiple data can be added. Title block is used to write title of the chart. Any text or title can be written inside the block. Render chart block is used to show chart on the output screen. Pie chart block is used to plot a pie chart, circular graph.